Now we're adding mixed numbers, and to do this we need the fraction parts of our mixed numbers to have a common denominator. Now 42 is in both the 6 and the 7 times table, so we can find equivalent fractions to 5/6 and 1/7 which have a denominator of 42. 6 times 7 is 42, 5 times 7 is 35, 7 times 6 is 42, 1 times 6 is 6. So now we can rewrite our question. Instead of 2 and 5/6, we can write 2 and 35 over 42, and instead of 1 and 1/7, we can add 1 and 6 over 42. So we add our fractions first. The denominator stays the same when we're adding fractions. 35 plus 6 is 41, and now we add our whole numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3, so our answer is 3 and 41 over 42. Now 2 and 2/9 plus 2 and a half, so we need our fractions to have a common denominator. 18 is in both the 9 and the 2 times table, so we can find equivalent fractions to 2/9 and 1/2 which have a denominator of 18. 9 times 2 is 18, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 9 is 18, 1 times 9 is 9. So instead of 2 and 2/9, we can have 2 and 4 over 18, and instead of adding 2 and a half, we can add 2 and 9 over 18. So we add the fractions first. When we're adding fractions, we keep the denominator the same, so that's 18. We add the numerators of the fractions, so 4 plus 9 is 13. Then we add the whole numbers, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So our answer is 4 and 13 over 18. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.